Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Searching for that perfect home that offers greenery, tranquility, and food both for the body, mind, and soul? Then this is the home for you. Located in the quiet community of four parts is this 4-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom home that is immaculately maintained, well-footed, and very secure. The home is equipped with electronic security system, camera system, and an electronic garage and gate. The first floor has a huge bedroom, 1.5 bathroom, living, dining, and kitchen, along with 2 enclosed patios. The second floor encompasses 3 bedrooms, including the primary ensuite, and 2 additional bedrooms with 1 bath. There is also a spacious family room as well as a study. The second floor is completed by 2 balconies, offering breathtaking views of Maypen and its environs. All kitchen appliances are included in the price of the home. There is also room to negotiate for additional pieces of furniture to be considered as part of the sale. The land area of this house is 11,481 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is £178,000, Jamaican 35.7 million or US $232,300. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.